Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to post a GIF on Threads Instagram. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to open our search engine. So any search engine that we have there. And you're just going to go ahead and search for GIF. So any GIF that you want to download. Say for example, we want to download this GIF here. So all you need to do is just hold it and click download image. So I'm using an Android right now. So if you are using an iPhone, I think it's the same thing. So all you do is just hold it for a while and click download. So we're going to check if it's here in our gallery, and there it is. So if you can see here in your gallery and it's moving, then it's already good to go. So we're going to go ahead and open our Threads app. And at the bottom of our interface, there are 5 icons. So we're just going to click on the new thread icon in the middle. And then we are just going to click the attachment button here. And then click on the GIF that you want to add. So you can just post this directly without any text. So we click on post. And there we go. It's already posted on our feed. So that's it. That's how you are going to post a GIF on Threads Instagram. If you have questions, please type them below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.